everybody, Elite for 20. Yeah, so in this video I will be showing you how to make your own homemade plexiglass shield. Yeah, since quarantine is almost over, everybody needs to open up their business back in, get back to making money. If you own a nail salon or hair salon, any type of salon business, any type of business, you need a shield like this. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to make your own at home, okay? Because if you need, let's say, at least 5 of these, will charge you about $5,000. So I'm gonna show you how to save $5,000 by making your own at home, okay? We are making the legs. So that's how we cutting this. Right in the middle, how you see. Then we flip it over and we cut the other end. So once you cut it, it will look like this. This is how we make the legs on it. Is to make it look nice and neat, you want to apply some door card trim like this. You know, you could find this any auto parts, on any auto parts. You buy this, put it on. It's something that look like this, you know. It's kind of hard to put on, but you know, you get your word into it. So this is how you make your own plexiglass shield. As you can see how everything came out. This is how you can make your own at home. You know, this is very expensive. Let's say if you need like 5 of these for your shop or for your business, we're talking about $5,000. $5,000 for 5 of these, okay? I show you how you can make your own. If you don't know how to make your own, or you cannot make your own, if you wanna put in your order, just get back at me on my email that I put in the video subscription, and I'll make it for you. You tell me what you need and I will make it for you.